Hey guys, this is Baby Snow and welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited and I really want to share with you guys this brand new opportunity. It's called Save Club, and if you notice, meron na tayong in-upload dito no na compensation plan about the Save Club. So actually, hindi pa nilo-launch yung project na to and nasa pre-launch stage pa lang siya. That's why I'm very excited to proudly share with you guys dito sa aking channel. And by the way, dun sa mga nagtatanong no, about trends, I really apologize with what happened dito sa ating project. But of course, I'm working on behind the scene. So, nagkaroon lang tayo ng konting technical problem and dun sa ating developer. But actually, lang siya 100% fully operational as of the moment. Meron pa kasing kailangan, hindi pa siya pwedeng i-launch or hindi pa siya pwedeng i-live, no? Pero eto na, kung makikita nyo guys, ayan, but this one here, testing lang ito, and this is in BNB testnet, okay? So, hindi pa natin to pwedeng magamit. But, ayan nga, sabi ko nga, dine-develop pa rin to. Syempre, this is a lifetime project. But anyways guys, gusto ko lang kayong i-inform with regards to our very own project trends. So, just to inform you guys na this is still here and I'm really working on in the back end, and of course this is a lifetime project, okay? But let's talk about this brand new opportunity where I'm really excited kasi I've been into this kind of project way back I think 3 years ago, and that system is really effective. It's proven, okay? In fact, it's called Live Good. Sabi ko nga nung na-invite ako nung tao na nag-invite sa akin dito sa Save Club, it's a copycat. Okay? It's a copycat of Live Good. Pero nung una, I am really hesitant to join dito sa Save Club, no? 2 days pa bago ako nag-activate after ako in-invite nung aking sponsor dito. So, by the way, yung aking sponsor dito is Diamond in Live Good. And, ayan nga, hindi naman sila pinipigilan no ni Ben Glinsky na mag-join sa other project, but yun nga, sabi ko nga, para siyang copycat, pero there's a big difference, okay? Live Good is about health products, ayan, pero yung software, ito yung ating pinaka dashboard, it really looks the same, okay? Kaya nga sabi ko nga, proven na yung system. Ang maganda lang dito guys is what makes me really excited is that yung timing. Okay, dito sa Live Good, I've joined Live Good when it's already 3 months old na na-launch siya. Okay? That's last year, April. Actually, it's almost 4 to 5 months na bago ako nakapag-join. So, but end of the day, I still able to build my team with Live Good. In fact, hanggang ngayon, nag-earn pa rin tayo dito, passive income. Kahit na I stopped working, I think, second month, hindi ko na siya win-workout, na-focus ako sa crypto projects, no? Pero I still subscribe my yearly membership dito kay Live Good kasi nga alam ko kung gaano kaganda yung system niya. Hindi lang ako nag-focus, okay? So, yung regret ko dito, no? Sabi ko nga before, sana nakapasok ako nung time na ilo-launch pa lang siya. But, ayun nga, wala tayong magagawa kasi late na natin siya nalaman. Actually, that time, hindi pa naman siya as in late. Sabi ko nga, I'm still earning here. So, in fact, ito yung aking earnings na monthly. Hindi ganun kalaki. Siyempre, I'm inactive when it comes to building. Pero sa subscription, nagsasubscribe tayo. So, ayan, kung makikita natin, meron akong mga earnings every month. Ayan, so, monthly, meron ako nare-receive. Ang ating subscription dito is only $10 or $9.95. Ito, recently lang, just yesterday, ayan, April 1, naka-receive pa rin ako ng 39.54, which is not bad pa rin kasi nagbabayad ako ng $9.95, pero ito yung na-receive ko pabalik. 'Di ba? So, still, maganda talaga yung sistema. Yun nga lang, hindi tayo nakapasok sa pre-launch. So, ibig sabihin, yung mga tao na nakapasok dito, nung pre-launch pa lang, as in thousands of dollars yung na-earn nila. Okay, there's nothing wrong with Live Good. I really like this project. and how I wish na nakapasok tayo dito. And the great news, eto si Save Club, okay? Diamond ni Live Good yung nag-invite sa akin dito. That's why hindi na ako nag-hesitant na tingnan kasi alam kong maganda yung sistema. Tapos yung pinipray ko na sana naka-join na ako kay Live Good on its pre-launch stage. Okay? Yun, parang binigyan tayo ng second chance. So, eto na si Save Club na hindi pa siya nilo-launch. Guys, ang launch nito is on June 1. So, there's still one more month na makakaposition tayo as early as this stage. Okay? The pre-launch stage happens only once. 'Di ba? So, kung nangyari kay Live Good, na bumulusok talaga siya, ang dami nag-earn, mga top leaders. Dito kay Save Club, as per my observation and research, based on my research, yung mga top leaders, international marketers, yan, nandito na sila kay Save Club. So, I'm very, very excited na i-share ito dito sa aking channel. Sabi ko before, no, I will only work on with trends. Pero since ito nga, nakita ko yung Save Club, sino ba naman tayo para tanggihan yung opportunity? Kasi with Live Good, I have my directs before, nung winorkout ko to, 2 months lang guys, nung pagkapasok ko dito. Meron akong mga direct referrals na nag-earn talaga sila. Okay? Nag-subscribe lang, as in 0 referrals. Nag-earn pa rin sila. Meron yung isa ko na sa $50 to $100 US dollars. So, maganda siya, maganda talaga siya. And, ayun, I'm very, very excited kasi ito na yung second chance. And hindi na ako dalawang isip na i-share talaga to sa channel kasi this is a real project. Okay? Ang pinagkaiba niya, by the way, dito kay Live Good, this is about health products. Okay? But it's also a subscription. And as time goes, I will upload videos about Save Club project. I-explore natin yan. How can we earn here? And ano ba yung difference niya kay Live Good? But as of now, I am an action taker. Okay? Talagang ginagrab ko talaga yung opportunity. It's a breakthrough. It's really the same dashboard with Live Good. Kaya medyo familiar na ako. Medyo, medyo nakalimutan ko lang yung iba dito sa Live Good. Kasi nga hindi na ako naging active dito. Pero, nung nakita ko sa Save Club, na familiarize ako. And, yun, I'm very, very excited. And yun, ito yung aking mga sign-ups ngayon. Ayan. So, actually dito guys, no, punta tayo sa my team. Ayan, tingnan natin yung Powerline view. Okay? So, 2019 members have joined after me in the Powerline. So, can you imagine, 2 days pa bago ako nag-take action. So, that time, nung in-invite ako ni Coach Judah, nasa 200 plus pa lang yung active members, if I'm not mistaken. And then, since I was so busy focusing on and building my trend projects, 2 days, saka ko lang siya binalikan ulit. And then, doon ako nag-sign up. So, I think nasa almost 1,000 paid members na that time. Okay? So, nag-activate na ako, hindi na ako nagdalawang isip. Then, after that, ayan, 2019 members na. This is affiliate members na, guys. We're not talking about the Powerline registrations, yung mga nag-secure lang ng spot nila pero hindi pa sila nag-member. Okay? So, there's still a huge opportunity to position yourselves this early stage, guys. Because we all know na the most money that will flow from this kind of projects is yung mga pioneers talaga. Kasi yung spillover, hindi natin sinasabi na umasa lang tayo sa spillover. Pero, yun yung reality. Okay? And most people, hindi naman sila into inviting. Okay? Kung ikaw yung tipo ng tao na ayaw mo mag-invite pero gusto mong kumita, take action now. Kasi ito talaga yung season no, na talagang mapupuno ka ng mga spillover. Kasi nasa positioning stage pa lang. Kumbaga, nasa ground floor pa lang tayo. Okay? So, yung mga papasok dito, imagine mo na lang yung nangyari kay Live Good. 'Di ba? Millions of members na siya. Pero nung nag-start si Live Good, marami ding nagsasabi scam, 'di ba? So, given na 'yan. Pero eto ngayon, guys, ito yung maganda kasi yung mga nakakita na ng ganda ng sistema ni Live Good, okay? And mga top leaders, mga diamond ng Live Good, ayan, nandito na kay Save Club. So, can you imagine kung nangyari kay Live Good 'yon, that time na kumbaga parang bago pa to. So, how much more ngayon na alam nila kung ano na yung mangyayari, nakita na nila yung resulta. So, how much more here? If you search on YouTube, guys, about Save Club, dito mo makikita yung mga top leaders, yung mga other top marketers, international, nagkakagulo na rin dito kay Save Club. 'Di ba? So, that means na it's a great news para sa isang company. Ibig sabihin talagang kung ano yung whatever happens to Live Good, possibility is mas magbo-boom pa siya ng todo. Okay? So, yun lang guys sa ngayon. I just want to share with you guys this opportunity na hindi natin ma-miss yung pre-launch stage. Okay? And by the way, you can connect with me, you can message me, meron tayong messenger, meron tayong GC para sa team. And I am developing a system kung saan matutulungan natin bawat isang members na hindi lang sila abangers. Okay? Hindi lang sila, though meron na nga silang huge opportunity na makareceive ng spillovers kasi nasa positioning stage tayo. And at the same time, hindi lang spillover yung aasahan nyo guys. Kasi I'm developing a tool, special tool, exclusive only for our team. Kung saan ituturo ko kung ano yung mga tools na ginagamit ko para makapag-sponsor ng mga sign-ups. Okay? So that's a great news guys. That's a huge advantage. If I were you, position yourselves now. This opportunity happens once in a lifetime guys. Kasi ang pre-launch, nandyan lahat yung big earnings and big opportunity. So, do your own research, but I suggest na wag niyong patagalin kasi sayang yung opportunity. So, message me lang guys. And by the way, this is the start na, ayan, magre-review tayo ng mga yung dashboard, paano siya nag-work. Hindi pa natin perfect, hindi pa natin alam lahat ng system nito. Maging action taker ka lang. Saka na yung mga tanong mo kasi and by the way ang membership pala dito guys, it's not $9.95. It's doubled. It's like $19.97. It's like $20 na. So, yun ang difference niya. Pero, syempre, double din yung earning potential. Okay? Para sa akin, mas malaki pa nga yung earning potential nito. And by the way, nag-run na yung first pay run ni Save Club. So, just yesterday, nag-cut off yung first month natin kasi April to ni-launch guys yung pre-launch natin. So nag-cut off siya and ako kaka-start ko lang so hindi pa ako nag-earn, hindi pa ako naka-receive ng earnings. Pero yung upline ko, grabe guys, record breaking talaga. And by the way, nakadugtong tayo kay Kelly, yung Diamond, yung teacher no sa Live Good na meron siyang mga success stories doon, and kay Hopkins. So, it's a great opportunity na madugtong tayo sa mga top leaders na katulad nila. So, there's a huge chance talaga for massive spillovers and yun, mas malaking chance na makapag-earn tayo. Kasi this is about power line, this is about matrix. Even if you don't invite people, you still earn. Pero, since meron din tayong system for our own team, mas malaki pa yung bigger chance pa para makapag-earn tayo ng mas malaki. Alright, so that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching. Again, this is Baby Snow. Happy earnings everyone.